Hi, and welcome back to Marcel Creations. Today, we are going to make this little tray. They call it a lipstick tray. What I am hoping to do is I am hoping that our alcohol inks will sit into these little cavities. I think they will. If not, you'll be the first to know. I've picked a couple of colors. So I have Rolio Pearl White that I've added to our white. Here it is. And it is Eye Candy Satori White. I put that in there and then added the Rolio Pearl White for some shimmer. And then in this cup we have May Spring Wine Red, and it is gorgeous. And in this one I have May Spring Sterling Silver, and we're going to try marble in it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and spray our mold, and I will link this mold. I don't remember 100% where I got it. Pretty sure it was on Temu. And if not, I'll link something comparable to it from Amazon or something. So all I want to do is I'm just going to drizzle some of this. We're going to do it like Michelle does. Just drizzle a little bit in there. And a little bit of, oh my gosh, that was a lot of silver. Your metallics tend to take over, so you want to make sure that you're not getting too much in there. Oh my goodness, that was a lot. And then we are just going to pour that until the color disappears. That's going to be a lot of silver. I'm not going to get hardly any white, I don't think, out of that. Oh my goodness. Yikes. I got silver, it's just spreading like wildfire. Oh my gosh. I'm a little heavy-handed with my colors here, apparently. Oh my goodness. Okay, note to self. I need a smaller pour spout on that. I'm not going to get any white. How am I going to fix that? Can I shoot? It's going to all be silver now. Oh man, even my red is just sinking. Okay, so this is the back. So let's just pour it. Oh my gosh. And then as we get these colors, I'll go around the edge. And that was 10 ounces that I put in here. And then my table is not quite level. I always end up having to put a real thin coffee stick on this end. Maybe. Oh, come on. Here we go. That's really pretty. I have a feeling that is not what it's going to look like on the other side. All right. I have just a smidgen left. I'll find something to put that in and we will be right back.
Pouring my heart in resin piece by piece, capturing life in a moment's release. A swirl of color, a story untold, solid as love, clear and bold.
Everything is cured. I'm anxious to see this one. I did have some extras and I just poured them into our little heart pendant molds. That was kind of cool. It turned out a lot of silver into these. Silver tends to ooh, that's really pretty. Silver tends to take over stuff. Yeah. And this one I didn't have enough to fill it all the way, but I got a really pretty little heart. A couple more pendants. That one's cute. And these are probably going to be all silver. Yeah, dang it. Metallics really take over. Yeah. Ended up being all silver too. Whoops. And this one. Another one that ended up being just silver. So that's okay. All right. Let me just see how this one did. I'm a little nervous that our alcohol inks are not going to fit in here. I think this is actually intended for lipsticks. I don't wear lipsticks, so I'm not going to be able to tell you if it fits. I am just unrolling it as I go. I'm chasing myself in circles here. So I'm not going to be able to tell you if lipsticks fit in here because I don't own any. Oh my goodness, I just figured those were going to be my challenge, getting those out of there. If we just look at one at a time. Okay, let me spray. Let me try spraying some alcohol into those. Air purifier kick on, so you're gonna hear that probably here in a second. Sorry. Ah, there we go. Ugh. I love that. Pop pop. There it goes. Oh wow, that turned out pretty cool. Got some really fun marbling on that. The silver did not take completely over, which I am amazed. And the back's pretty. This whole thing's really nice. All right, so, oh yay! So these are my inexpensive alcohol inks I just buy on Amazon, and our Let's Resin also fits in there. Yay! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So, what you can do is you can put felt on the bottom of that and it can just sit on your countertop and then it wouldn't move. It would help keep it that way. But this is perfectly smooth. And did you see how nice that rotated? It turns beautifully. So I'm going to leave it just like it is. And I am going to go ahead and see. You can see enough of the alcohol ink bottle that you can see the colors. So if I put maybe like black and whites here in the middle, I'll always know that those are my blacks and my whites. And then I could put colors around the outside of that. Because you always have more black and white than you have anything else. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I really did not think these were going to fit because I really thought it was for lipsticks. So that is super cute. I like it. All right, guys, super short video today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button for us. It helps us a ton and it doesn't cost you anything. And until next time, we will see you then. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
I got my gloves and my mixing cup, clear as the creek when the sun comes up, pouring drinks into every mold.